What up, tubes? We're going to a call today. We're gonna go do it's a recurring customer. We're gonna go wash his Lexus here. Nice little Lexus. He lets me wash it every 2 to 3 weeks. So we're gonna go wash it today, go get her done. And this is a vlog. So you're just pretty much gonna...
But wait, first, let me go ahead and plug you to my course that I got going on right now. And this is the ad for that. In this course, I walk you through the entire process for paver and concrete seal. From cleaning and prepping the surface to choosing the right sealer. You'll gain the confidence to tackle any paver sealing projects, whether it's your own driveway or patios or someone else's. My step-by-step course will show you exactly how to get the job done right, whether you're a beginner or a homeowner looking to restore your driveway or patio. Here's what you'll learn in this course. You'll learn how to prep your pavers. You'll learn how to choose the right sealer, step-by-step applications, fixing common mistakes. This course is perfect for beginners, homeowners who want to improve their outdoor space. And the best part, this entire course is available for $19.99. You'll gain the knowledge and skills to transform your pavers and make them look stunning for years to come. Call this number now, 702-544-5253. to get more information, and we'll go ahead and deliver you an SD chip straight to your door with the company logo sticker. All right, let's get back to the vlog now.
Busy day today. I gotta take care of this call here. Gotta go wash my mom's car. She needs to get her car washed, and then I have another 3 cars to do after this. So buckle up. It's gonna be a busy day today. So y'all stay tuned. All right, to the next one. Alright, so we went ahead and got it soaked up now. So we got it soaked up. And that's how it looks right there. So we're gonna wipe her down right now. All right, y'all. So we're finished with the SUV. We hit it with this final wax right here, especially on these black vehicles. Note to self: if you got a black vehicle out here, make sure you final wax it. Okay. There it is, right there, boys. Got a nice armor on the tires. We got the 2-step, which is went ahead and rinse, soap, scrub with the not scrub but wipe down, rinse again. Did the windows, we did all the insides, everything, all of the doors, got the floors. That's how you do it, boys. Make sure you do not forget the back window. I just always forget that. And that's it, boys. On to the next one. I'll see you on the very next video. Y'all subscribe, hit that like button.